Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today with a 3-in-1 get ready with me hair, makeup, and outfit. I'm going to be showing you how I go from a bald basic to a super duper baddie. So if you're interested in seeing me go from 0 to 100 for a holiday party event, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Alright guys, when I'm getting ready to go out for the night, it is a full process. I love doing body care, a lot of body care in the shower, and then when I get out, I love doing skincare. So today I'm going to be using a mask, and I'm going to be using the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. This is my first time using this, and I'm applying it with my Royal & Langnickel facial brush. I got this in my Sephora Play, which is a monthly subscription of luxury beauty samples. So this is a luxury brand, and I like doing luxury things when I'm getting ready to go out. It just really boosts my confidence, and I feel my best when I'm fully taking care of body and face. So then I'm going to apply the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These are masks that I got in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and I have not used them, so I decided to use them today. I always do some sort of, something extra when I'm getting ready to go out, so that's what I chose to do today. Now that I have washed that off of my face, I am going to go ahead and start on my hair. I'm going to be applying this Main Concept Brown Sugar Whole Lace Human Hair Style Mix wig. This is in the color 613 and in the style BS 408. This is a full lace wig that is platinum blonde, so it is definitely a statement maker, a perfect wig, I think, for going out. So that's what I'm going to be applying today. It is full lace, meaning that it has free parting. You can part it anywhere for the most part, and you can also put this wig up. There's lace in the front and the back all around, so it makes for a very versatile wig, almost like a 360 wig, really. I'm going to first apply some foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation all over my nude wig cap, because if I do part it or decide to part it any type of way, I want it to look like scalp. Wherever I part the wig, I want it to show brown just like my scalp. So that's why I'm placing the foundation up underneath the wig onto my wig cap. And now I'm just going to apply the wig, secure it in the back, just to see where I want the wig to lay and how it looks so far. Now that I know where I want the wig placed, I'm just going to cut the lace off. After I cut the lace, I'm going to adhese the wig down to my head using the Ghost Bond XL glue. And once again, I'm putting the wig back on after the lace is cut to see where I want to place the glue. Once I figure that out, I go ahead and apply it just by dotting it around the front of my hairline before my hair, so it's not on my hair. And then I'm just going to smooth it out using the comb edge of a double-sided edge control brush. Now that the wig glue has dried, I'm just going to press the wig down onto that glue. I start off in the middle with a edge control brush, a different one, and then I'm going to work my way onto the sides, pressing it down. And I'm just going to go back in with my scissors and cut off any excess lace, trying to get it as close to that hairline as possible. And then I'm also going to clip any extra lace that is covering my ears. Having lace covering your ears, one, is very uncomfortable. It hurts actually, and it is very unnatural. So you want the wig to lay behind your ear just like your normal hair does, so it just makes it look a lot more natural. Once I do that, I'm going to tie the wig down just to make sure it's extra secure. So I went ahead and did a little bit more skincare by priming my skin for makeup, and I did my brows, and now I'm ready to take that off. I'm going to start customizing this wig by clipping off some hairs on the sides to create a sort of like sideburn type of thing, like little flyaways, because I am going to be wearing this wig up in a bun, as you can see. I am going to go ahead and secure the back of the wig also with the Ghost Bond glue. I'm putting the glue below my hairline in the back, on the nape of my neck, basically, and smoothing it out with my finger because I really can't see back there, so I had to use my finger. And it did get on my hair a bit in the back, but that's okay because as long as you remove this with some type of lace wig remover, you will not rip your hair out. So now I'm just pressing the back of the wig down onto that glue. And I'm going to take a rat tail comb and just really pressing that in and trying to get it so it covers all of my black hair. Once again, it was hard to see, so I'm just trying to feel my way and make sure I cover my black hair as much as possible. So now it's time for makeup. I'm starting off with the Happy Mess I Don't Give a 9-color eyeshadow palette. This is a new brand that I was introduced to. They sent me some of their products, so I'm going to try them out for the first time today. I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm going to use that as my transition. I'm doing a very easy eyeshadow look. For holiday time, I love doing simple eyeshadow, just 1 or 2 colors, and a bold wing liner and a bold lip. So now I'm going to take this matte banana shade and I'm just going to use that to any harsh line with that dark shade. That shade was pretty dark to go in as a first shade, so I'm just going to put that on my brow bone and blend that up so it will take away any harsh line between the dark brown and my brow bone area. Now I'm going to use one of their single shadows. This is in the shade 24/7. It reminds me of Trophy Wife so much, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger. I'm going to spray my finger with some of that Mario Badescu spray and dip into it. As you can see, the pigmentation is insane. It looks just like Trophy Wife, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Go back in with my fluffy blending brush and blend those 2 shades together so there's no harsh line between them. And yeah. You have to turn up when you're getting ready to go out. So that's definitely what I'm doing right here. So I'm taking the NYX matte eyeliner, matte black eyeliner. This is the best liquid eyeliner in America, and I love it. So I'm using that to do a bold wing. A bold wing, a bold lip, and simple eyeshadow is a classic holiday makeup look, and that's what I'm doing today. Time for mascara. So I'm going to prep my lashes for falsies with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I love this mascara so much, I literally cannot put it down. Then I'm going to use the Milani Black Retractable Pencil Liner, a very black eyeliner from the drugstore, the blackest that I found, and I'm going to use that to tightline. Now I'm going to use the Eylure Jasmine Brown Lashes in Jaybee, one of my favorites. I cannot stop using these. I've had these for quite some time and they keep going strong. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush palette in dark, and I'm trying to decide, but I'm going to use that lighter like peachy blush and the darkest blush in the palette. I love this blush palette for melanin skin tones because it is beautiful, perfect shades for our skin tone, and yes, I'm just going to apply that all over my cheeks quite heavily because I am a blush fiend. And then I'm going to take a fluffier brush that I use to set my entire face just to blend that out. And I'm also going to apply some on my nose. I just love how that looks when you put blush on your nose. Just makes you look like you're blushing from within. Going back and forth just to make sure everything's nice and blended. To take away from that powdery look on my face, I'm going to use this Mario Badescu spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea and just spray it all over my face. So refreshing. Now for highlight. Since I have Trophy Wife, a dupe on my lids, look at that. Look how similar they look. I'm going to have to use Trophy Wife on my face. So I'm taking this Milani highlighter brush and I'm just dipping in there, turning up at the same time. And I'm just going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones very lightly because this highlighter is super duper intense, and I'm going to put a bit on the tip of my nose. To intensify that even more, why, I don't even know, I'm going to use this Juvias Place loose highlighter. I'll have the exact name of it down in the description box, but I just wanted to put some more on top. I wanted to glow like a freaking Christmas ornament light. I just wanted to go all out. So I topped Trophy Wife off with this intense Juvias Place highlighter. 2 intense highlighters, and I'm just going to put some on my cupid's bow, my nose, and the tops of my cheekbones. This is a highlighter that I cannot put down. I love it so much. I think that's why I used it today, even though it was quite unnecessary. I just love using it. It's so beautiful, and it's definitely a must-have. I found mine at Ulta. So back to the eyes. I'm going to do my lower lash line now. So I'm taking that dark chocolate shade that I used on my crease, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. I did use some of that Milani black eyeliner down there too, so I'm basically just smudging that out. And then I'm going to apply some lower lash line mascara and blend some mascara in with my falsies by putting it on the top also. Now it's time for the lippies, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild lip liner. I love this lip liner so much. Even though it is a regular pencil that you have to sharpen, it is so creamy and so nice, and it is like $1. I found mine at Rite Aid, I believe, but you can find these anywhere, and they're very affordable and they're very nice. I use this for holiday seasons all the time. I think this is my 3rd year having this pencil, and I love it so much. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Happy Mess High Class lipstick in orange. I'm really confused as to why this is called orange, because it is definitely more of a red, but it does have that like bright reddish orangish type of color, but it's definitely a very beautiful holiday color. I loved that it lasted so long, and it's not too messy. It doesn't get all over your teeth. It's just really creamy still though. So I'm just cleaning that up with the edge of my beauty sponge, and I am done. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, I finished off the hair by accenting it with a hair bow, a headband that I tied into a bow. And then I just pulled down some flyaways, as I said before. I curled them under with a flat iron. And also around the back, I clipped some hair shorter and curled that under just to mask more of that black hair back there. And it also looks really, really cute, as you can see right here. My entire outfit is from Target. The red dress is available now for a very affordable price. I believe it's like $18. I'll have it linked in the description box below, and also the stockings, which are very beautiful also. So I really hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.